Hello everybody, this is Jordi Artigas from Catalonia, northern Spain, and I will... Sorry. Well, as you can imagine, this is not the reason I play ukulele, but sometimes it's a funny way to introduce this little and fantastic instrument to young students, SpongeBob SquarePants. By the way, I once posted this tune, this arrangement, not with the slide, just. And the composer told me, okay man, you almost get it, but please try to play more untuned, not so polite. Since then, I don't play Hawaiian music anymore. Right then, thank you, Ray, to invite me to this 5-minute showcase in this ukulele Facebook group. And thank you, Lawrence and Denise. And I will try to explain myself and which are my influence. I'm a guitar player, actually. But as they say, when you play 6 strings, you can play 4 strings.
Tell me why you wanna be so cold. Tell me why you wanna be so mean.
The problem was that these 4 strings going in other key, in other tuning, and this could be a handicap, but it wasn't. I really like to play this instrument because I think that 25 years ago, when I discovered Celtic music, I found out that only if you tune your guitar in a specific tuning that it's called Dadgat, for example, then you can play any instrument in another tuning because you are used to play in another constellations of fingerings and fretting notes and so on. I think this is the reason that I play ukulele as a second nature. I mean, as a guitar player and as a Celtic guitar player. I will try to play, I will play actually, a song called Farewell to Craigie Dhu. you may notice, I don't say ukulele, I say ukelele, ukelele. That's because I'm Catalan.
Catalans feel unique because they have their own language, their own culture, and laws that are unlike anywhere else in the country. Kind of like Florida, but without the shirtless guys going through the drive-thru while on fire.
It doesn't matter, we all play ukulele, that's the main thing, and that's the language we are speaking now. Okay, my country is your country. I would like you to visit when the COVID is over, because it's a good place to stay and to live. And you may discover that things are not as they are explained, but things are more complicated and amazing too. It's an interesting place, it's a crossover of culture. I guess that my way to play music is have to be with all that crossover. Means I can play jazz, but I'm not really a live jazz musician strictly. But you consider modern music. I mean, music which you can make some soloing, improvisation, change the chords, and all at all having fun with the music. Anyway, I want to play a jazz piece that I create and I want to dedicate to my friend Elizabeth Raspal, which indeed is a really great piano player, jazz piano player here. Fa 10 anys vam descobrir aquest instrument perquè casualment es va posar de moda.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, xa, xa, xa.
Una escola de música, almenys al nostre país, és important diferenciar-se de la competència. Una cosa tan senzilla com que si no fas un producte diferent, la gent té altres llocs on trobar el mateix producte.
Realmente es como una guitarra en pequeñito, pero mucho más fácil de tocar.
Efectivamente, es mucho más fácil. Mira, en una guitarra hay que poner 3 dedos para hacer un acorde que se llama do, y aquí, con este lo resuelves. Y suena así de bien.
Qué bien, pues sí.
Lo puedes sofisticar y hacer jazz. Y
Estamos teniendo una clase de música, vamos, en formato reducido.
Efectivamente.
Podríem dir que jo he sigut un aprofitat de l'ukelele, però al mateix temps crec que li he tornat a l'ukelele algunes coses. Per exemple, he fet música per ukelele, que espero compartir amb vosaltres. En aquest vídeo us he tocat un tema meu. A partir d'aquest descobriment vaig anar veient que l'instrument era molt més que una moda i que de seguida se li podia treure molt de partit. I com a guitarrista de seguida em vaig sentir com que estava redescobrint la guitarra, però amb 2 cordes menys i amb un tamany més petit. Dit això, en aquesta escola vaig conèixer una sèrie d'estudiants que gràcies a aquest instrument han après a tocar rock and roll. Vam crear una banda que es deia els Ukeles, i amb els Ukeles la nostra escola doncs va portar el rock and roll a través de l'ukelele.